हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल गेम ऑफ मैथ, जिसमें हम खेलेंगे मैथ के साथ. यस फ्रेंड्स, in my first video I have promised you that I will give you a single formula by which from 1 to any number we can do the square. We are gradually going to that because already we have some knowledge, and if I am directly taking you to that new formula, then automatically we will be confused. Few videos will be there, 2 to 3 videos will be there, and I will open the new formula and I'm sure that you will say yes, right, this is the formula which is applicable to any number. 1 to 25 onwards, we everybody know the square values. From 25 to 75, we know the formula, that is 25 plus or minus x plus x square. But you see, here I am not mentioning the 100 because we know that from right side what the value, while calculating the value from the right side we will leave two places and we will write this particular value, so no need to multiply with the 100. And the same case coming to 75 to 125, already we have derived the formula, and that formula is nothing but 100 plus or minus 2x plus x square. Okay, here also the same thing, I am not mentioning the 100 because we will leave two places. You see, some relation is coming, we will go beyond this and we will get a particular formula. That particular formula will be applicable for all. Okay, but the thing is, to go beyond this, I mean to go beyond 125, to go 125 onwards, we need a small trick additionally, because that will help us to extend the formula. And that additional trick is nothing but how to calculate a number if it has 5 at its unit place. So today's video will be completely dedicated to that only, how to find square of a number having 5 at its unit place. So let's start. Yes friends, I kept few numbers on this whiteboard. First we will do the square of these numbers, then after we will discuss regarding the trick. So you see, 25 6 25, 35 12 25, 45 20 25, 55 30 25, 65 42 25, and then 75 56 25. How fast it is? Very simple trick, friends, but this trick has a vast role, has a big role when we will extend our formula, because in the first video I have already promised you that I will give a single formula. I am taking you in that way only, that finally we will get a single formula which will be applicable from 1 onwards. That's my promise. Okay, so here what is the trick is, you see, when here 5 is there, then you are getting 25 here. 5 25, 5 25, 5 25, 5 25. Okay, so leave it. If unit place 5 is there, then automatically in the square the unit place and the 10th place you will get 25. Okay, then what's about this? The remaining, what is there? 2. So here this is 2 into 3, 6. Here this is 3 into 4. Here this is 4 into 5, 20. Here this is 5 into 6, 30. Here this is 6 into 7, 42. Here this is 7 into 8, 56. You may be getting the question that okay, 2 digit only, what about 3 digit? You see, suppose 115. 115 is the question. So the square is very simple. You see, 11 into 12. Okay, 132, 25. That's it. So it is easy. So you may do practice at your home. Hope you like this video. Very easy trick. So definitely you like this video. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much.